Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we review the latest tech products in the market. Today, we'll be comparing two popular internal SSDs, the Kingston A400 and the WD Blue SA510. Both these drives promise faster performance and improved reliability, but which one is better for you? Keep watching to find out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let's start with the price. The Kingston A400 480GB SATA drive is priced at $25, while the WD Blue SA510 1TB SATA drive is priced at $54. So, if you're on a budget, the Kingston A400 is the obvious winner here, but if you need more storage, the WD Blue SA510 is the better option. When it comes to storage capacity, the WD Blue SA510 is the clear winner with 1 TB of storage. However, if you're looking for a smaller option, the Kingston A400 comes in various capacities to fit your needs. The Kingston A400 has a 7mm form factor, making it ideal for slimmer notebooks and systems with limited space. On the other hand, the WD Blue SA510 is a 2.5-inch drive which fits easily in most systems with normal drive bays. Both drives offer fast startup, loading, and file transfers. The Kingston A400 has a read speed of up to 500 megabytes per second and a write speed of up to 450 megabytes per second, while the WD Blue SA510 boasts a top read speed of up to 3,400 megabytes per second and a write speed of up to 2,800 megabytes per second. It's important to note that the speed of these drives depends on the usage scenario and system compatibility. That's it for our comparison of the Kingston A400 and the WD Blue SA510. Depending on your needs, one drive may be better suited to you than the other. If you liked this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.